How to see library tab on YouTube application. To access the library tab, first of all, you have to make sure that you have updated version of YouTube application. Once you check that, the very next step is simply launch YouTube application on your mobile device and make sure that you have logged into your account. If you don't have login access, then first of all try logging to your account and then only you can access to your library tab. Once you are on your YouTube homepage, at the bottom right you will see your profile icon. Simply tap on that. From here, you have successfully opened your library tab. Here you can see all of your history, your playlist, your videos and your downloads. You can also view your movies that you have previously purchased. This way, you can easily access the library tab on your YouTube application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.